Hey YouTube, please read the disclaimer carefully. The project that we will see in this video is based on the well-known SQLmap project. You will find the GitHub official link in the description. For the URLs we will be testing are blurred for security reason because they are all public in the internet. First of all, let's clear all and get some proxies. You can get proxies from a file that you have already or just use Internet Proxy button to get them automatically. The software is multi-threaded, so you can choose the number of websites that you want to test at the same time. But you must pay attention to not stress your processor by using a big number of threads. It's using also 4 search engines as URL source, and this is why we need proxies. Because some search engines block requests. Now let's get URLs by typing dorks based on what we want to find as data. The dork system works exactly like Google Dorks. You can just find a dork on the internet. There is many updated websites with dorks that I will leave in the description section and type your dork. Or use the terms in URL, in text, in title, and more. You can also use the country domain filter like .fr for French, .it for Italy, or .dz for Algeria, and so on. You can also enter only dork without the country filter, and this will search with all countries' domain names. Like here, for example, I will use the filter for French domain names, which is .fr, and we use it like that. Let's start the auto injection. As you will see, I set my threads to 3 threads for each test, which will make me win a lot of time. And you can also increase the number. It depends on your processor. The injection process is fully automatic, so you don't need to do anything, and you will be notified every time a website is infected and can be injected later. It shows also other important informations about the web server and the database user. I will speed it up a little. Remember guys, this video is intended for educational purposes only. The content provided is meant to demonstrate the workings of security tools, specifically SQLmap, and to increase awareness about cybersecurity. Unauthorized access to computer systems, networks, or data is illegal and can result in severe legal consequences. The information presented here should not be used for any malicious or unethical activities. Viewers are strongly advised to use their knowledge responsibly and within the bounds of the law. The creator of this video does not endorse, encourage, or support any illegal or unethical activities, including but not limited to hacking, unauthorized access, or any form of cybercrime. It is crucial to respect the privacy and security of others. If you choose to apply the knowledge gained from this video, do so in a legal and ethical manner. The primary goal is to foster a better understanding of cybersecurity and promote responsible use of technology. I will stop the auto-injection and inject one of the infected website. Of course, I have the right to do that by owner of the website, so please be sure to have all rights to try injecting any website from his owner, because if not, all your actions are against the law. I will proceed by exploring the database for all the information I want: emails, passwords, usernames, addresses, and more. For the passwords, the software will try to detect the hash type and decrypt it for you automatically using a predefined word list that can be replaced. For the results, you don't need to store them. They are stored automatically in the folder data, with website name as folder name and tables as CSV files. And remember, every website has a different tables with different data and names. Just keep searching until you will find what you are looking for, and don't give up.